There's the scooter rider, the scooter nigger in front of us. And he's the opinion that he can pass me really close. Unnecessary, you know? So, let's see what we can do. Where is he? Huh? Slow as speech. Needs to pass me for like 2 seconds advantage. And then I don't even twist my throttle open, you know? I have like 2 minutes advantage. Fucking hate scooter riders. With their stupid ass helmets that protect them like not at all. I hate scooters. And I hate the people that are driving scooters. I hate scooters almost as much as cyclists. But I hate them a lot. So, like this guy. Fuck you. You know what I mean? Let's see where he is. No, he's not coming. He gave up. He probably just took his stupid scooter, throw it into the fucking ditch. Best choice anyways. You're going to fast. Downshift from 6 to 3rd. Probably 2nd is better here. Second here for sure. Need a lower gear. Lower gear. It's going the same direction. Whoa! Not making the turn. Oh shit! What are you doing? You're not even going fast. Come on. Yeah. I buy an M. BMW M. So I have lots of horsepower. All of the suspension technology. But I'm too stupid to drive on a little countryside road. Germans. Too stupid. Look at him. seen some YouTubers right here. Where are they? They all at work? They all at work? Let's check the tire temperature. Ah, not too bad. Pretty hot. I'm gonna take a short break. Okay, back at it again, coming at you with another gameplay video. It's like really hot. It's like really hot. How much hot do we have? How much hot do we have? 24? Bullshit. What's the speed limit here? I know where we are. So what's the 70? I was way beyond 70. In case anyone wondering, I'm just going 45. There's some bullshit in this corner. Probably can't see on YouTube, but there's stones in the middle of the... No! Guess I'm not the only one doing this shit. Maybe these are the YouTubers. My God! Real YouTubers in the wild. I always love to see a YouTuber myself. Guess I just did. And they were fast. So you go up here, medium speed. Everything's medium speed for me, I guess. Fucking screw bitch, get me! Machine only needs one gear, and that's the second gear, which doesn't make sense, I guess. Look at this guy. He's like, yeah, holy shit, that lead angle. Fuck me. You probably can't see that, but fucking hell. Ah! I just did a professional temperature. Holy shit. I just did a professional temperature check on the tires with my hands, and I can tell you the temperature is good. Yep. It took like 10 minutes for me to say that. Well, maybe not 10 minutes, but 10 attempts. 10 attempts. 10 attempts to say that. Right, I'm in my jacket since about 15 seconds. Well, it probably took 15 seconds for me to say temperature check. But I'm in my jacket since about 1 minute and 15 seconds. And I'm sweating my balls off. Which doesn't make sense because my balls are not within my jacket, but fuck you. You get the idea. My boxer short is misallocated. Mislocated. Fucking hell. English. Fast. Slower. Medium. Can't remember. Yeah, I don't know. Slow. Lead it probably. Accelerate out quickly. That's a long fast. Medium fast, baby. I'm always so confused here. Now fast. Gotta go fast. Maybe not that fast. Lead it probably. Yeah. Hey. the fuck down! Okay. That's way too slow. I probably fast. Oh no, this one is dangerous. Because there's a jump. It's probably easy to crash there. And now only fast. Fast. Also fast, double fast. All the way to the outside. Give us some gas. BMW is making us a problem. It's a nice short section actually. The reason I'm training this is we're gonna have an illegal sprint. Just kidding. We do not. Because that's illegal. Alright. 10 seconds for a lot of power. Okay. 40. There's an old person. We're so slow I don't even have enough power in second if I want to pass. If a motorcyclist comes flying around the corner there and I'm trying to pass, we have a problem. See, here are the motorcyclists that I was just talking about. Or like that guy, you know? You need to prepare. Right. That's how you do it. There's no motorcyclist who goes through a 180 fast. Okay? Like you could go quickly, but not fast. Oh, shit. Sexy girl on sexy bike. Was das für ein Zustände hier?